Begin your creative journey by gathering all the necessary materials to bring your cloud-shaped LED nightlight to life. Ensure you have translucent plastic, LED lights, scissors, and glue to start. Sketch a fluffy cloud outline on the plastic sheet. This shape will serve as the foundation of your nightlight, so let your imagination flow freely. With steady hands, cut along the marked lines to release your cloud from the plastic sheet, bringing it one step closer to your envisioned design. Measure and cut the LED strip lights according to your cloud size. This step is essential for fitting the lights snugly within the cloud shape. Carefully glue the LED strips along the inside perimeter of your cloud, ensuring they're evenly distributed for a consistent and soft light distribution. Witness the magic as your cloud comes to life, casting a gentle, dreamy light that transforms any room into a serene space. In its final place, the cloud-shaped LED nightlight not only serves its purpose by providing a soothing light, but also stands as a testament to your creativity and skill in DIY craftsmanship.